Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make hand wash liquid laundry detergent using simple and affordable ingredients. In this video, we'll cover the formula, mixing procedure, thickness adjustment, and important quality checks. So let's get started. Before production, always verify the specifications and compatibility of your raw materials. First, add about 6 to 7 liters of clean water into a clean mixing container. Leave some water aside because we will use it later for dissolving salt and adjusting the final volume. Now slowly add 750 grams of SLS while mixing gently. Avoid vigorous mixing because it can create too much foam and make the production process difficult. Next, add 250 grams of CAPB. Mix slowly until the SLES and CAPB are completely uniform. Now add 200 grams of sodium silicate and 50 grams of sodium citrate. Mix thoroughly so the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the detergent. Now we come to an important step, viscosity adjustment. Dissolve the salt in a separate portion of water and add it little by little. Do not add all the salt at once. The exact amount required depends on the raw materials and formulation, so stop when you reach the desired viscosity. Next, add the preservative, a small amount of color, and finally the perfume. Mix gently until the product becomes completely uniform.